In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bitrix24 to n8n. We'll use the HTTP request node to talk directly to the Bitrix24 REST API so you can pull data or create items from your n8n workflow with confidence. Start by opening n8n in your browser. From your dashboard, head to a new blank workflow canvas. If you're already on a new workflow page, perfect, you're in the right place. On the empty canvas, click the option to add your first step. This opens the node selector where you can search for the building blocks you need. Type HTTP request into the search bar and select the HTTP request node. This node is the bridge between n8n and Bitrix24, letting you make API calls to any Bitrix24 endpoint. With the node open, choose the HTTP method that matches what you want to do in Bitrix24. Use get to read data, post to create records, put or patch to update, and delete to remove items. If you're unsure which one you need, check the Bitrix24 REST documentation for the exact method required by the endpoint you plan to use. Next, enter the Bitrix24 API URL into the URL field. This will look something like your Bitrix24 domain, followed by the REST path and the specific method you want to call, for example, a CRM method. Keep your domain and any tokens private. Use placeholders while you set things up, then fill in secure values through credentials. Under authentication, select the option that matches how you access Bitrix24. Many setups use OAuth2 or a webhook style token. n8n's credentials vault is the safest place to store these details, so avoid hard-coding anything sensitive in the node fields. Below the main fields, you can enable send query parameters, send headers, and send body depending on the endpoint's needs. Query parameters are great for things like filters, pagination, or selecting specific fields. Headers are typically used to set content type, such as application JSON when you're sending JSON. The body is where you include the payload for post or patch requests. Make sure the structure matches what Bitrix24 expects. When everything looks good, click execute to test the step. Watch the output panel for the status code and the response data. A 200 level status generally means success, and you should see the returned JSON. If something doesn't work, double check the URL, method, authentication, and any parameters or body fields against the Bitrix24 docs. That's it, you've connected Bitrix24 to n8n with the HTTP request node and validated the call. From here, you can plug this node into the rest of your workflow to automate your Bitrix24 processes end to end.